A big and warm welcome to all the CAT takers of CAT 2020. I'm going to be talking about the best books for all CAT aspirants in today's video. Best books for CAT aspirants is the topic of today's video. My name is Harpreet Kaur Dhodi. I've done a master's in English literature. I have a diploma in journalism. 16 years of teaching experience is what I have. I have trained students for exams like the CAT, MAT, XAT, SNAP, PGCET, Banking, GRE, GMAT, SAT, ACT and TOEFL. Today I'm an educator on hashtag CAT Live Daily. Agenda is to discuss books which are recommended for students taking the CAT 2021. We have two kinds of subscriptions, as you are aware, guys. We have the Plus and we have the Iconic. And these are the tariff rates which are given for those who are subscribing on the Plus and the Iconic. The only request is that whenever you subscribe, if you use Core 10, which is my subscription code, you will get a 10% discount too. Iconic means personal mentorship, test analysis reports, OMED preparations, benefits of the Plus, and you will be mentored by graduates from top B schools. Enroll now because there are many batches starting in this week, 12th, 15th and 19th. Bumper offer is also there. If you take the 6-month subscription, you will get 1 month subscription free. Also, students can avail of the Unacademy Compact, which is India's biggest weekly scholarship test, and win scholarships. And please register by using Core 10 once again. Ask a Doubt is another feature we have on the Unacademy Learner app. And these are my Telegram channel links. Harpreet Ma'am Unacademy CAT is my Telegram channel link. I take classes at 10 a.m. in the morning, special classes at 6 p.m. in the evening, and my Plus classes happen at 11:30 a.m. in the morning. Best books for CAT aspirants is what I'm going to do today, guys. So before we get started with what are the books we need to arm ourselves with, what is important to understand is that CAT puts a lot of demands on a student, and therefore a student has to be dedicated and determined in trying to take the CAT examination. Apart from that, he has to be armed with the right resources, tools and study materials. And here comes in the relevance of what are the books that he needs to reach for and practice with in order to be able to excel in the CAT examination. With the right set of MBA prep books, the candidate who is aiming to score a 99 plus percentile in the CAT exam can turn his dream into a reality. So let us discuss what are the books which are important for our reference and our learning. Books for quantitative ability is what we are going to start with. Quantum CAT. This is a book written by Sarvesh K. Verma. Quantum CAT provides all the necessary study materials for you to crack the quantitative aptitude section of the CAT. Over the years, the book has garnered good reviews for its quality content and practice sets for both MBA experts and aspirants alike. The Pearson Guide to Quantitative Aptitude and Data Interpretation is yet another book. It is authored by Nishit Sinha. He is a veteran in the industry with more than 10 years experience in quantitative aptitude. This book is the go-to guide for candidates when it comes to quant prep for the CAT. Over several revisions, the book has been updated with new exercises and practice tests. Book for quantitative ability, How to Prepare for Quantitative Aptitude for CAT. This is a reference book by Arun Sharma, is highly recommended, and it is easy and simple to understand. The book is a bestseller and a must-read for all CAT aspirants. It offers a systematic and scientific method of discussing important topics related to the QA section of the CAT examination. Books for Quantitative Aptitude, Mathematics Formula and Shortcuts ebook. This is an ebook which carries several mathematical formulas and shortcuts that come in handy while solving quant questions. Using this ebook, you will be able to learn how to quickly apply shortcuts and formulas while solving quant questions. In case time management in the CAT exam is an area that you need to improve, then this is just the book you need. How to Prepare for Logical Reasoning for the CAT Common Admission Test, another informative and reliable book which is authored by Arun Sharma. This book contains examples and also prescribes tried and tested methods to help CAT aspirants prepare for the logical reasoning section of the CAT with a practical approach. Pearson Guide to Logical Reasoning and Data Interpretation for CAT and other MBA entrance exam. Pearson Guide is a comprehensive book to prepare for the DI-LR section. Apart from the CAT, this book also helps aspirants prepare for DI and LR section for other MBA entrance exams too. How to prepare for data interpretation for CAT Common Admission Test. One of the biggest challenges for a CAT aspirant with regard to DI and LR is that the DI section doesn't have a specific syllabus. This book will help you solve this dilemma by covering an exhaustive list of topics on the subject. The book includes several test papers from the DI section which are directly based on the CAT 2019 pattern. This book is a must-buy if you wish to solve the DI section with ease on the D-Day. Coming to the VARC section, I am a faculty of VARC and therefore I am competent enough to guide you perfectly on what are the books you need to refer for the VARC section. Word Power Made Easy is authored by Norman Lewis. This book is a must-read for all CAT aspirants. It teaches words and their meanings in a given context, which will help you to understand the word meanings and remember them for long. The book is loaded with simple techniques which aim to improve one's vocabulary and word skills. In addition to helping aspirants learn new words and their meanings, the book also explains the correct usage of those words in different situations. Barron's Pocket Guide to Vocabulary is another important book which is essential for the CAT exam aspirants. In Barron's Pocket Guide, you will strengthen your ability to solve questions on reading comprehension. Generally, there are 2 or 3 passages in the CAT, or rather I can say even 4 passages, and this book will give a boost to your confidence in solving RC passages in a minimal time. How to Prepare for the Verbal Ability and Reading Comprehension for the CAT by Arun Sharma and Meenakshi Upadhyay. This is a book which is mooted by many students. This workbook will provide tips based on previous year's CAT examination papers. Using these tips, you will be able to greatly reduce the time taken to solve the reading comprehension questions. General English e-book for competitive exams. This is an interesting e-book that a candidate can carry in their mobile as well. This book will enhance your English language skills for the CAT, and it offers objective questions and includes chapters on reading comprehension, grammar usage, vocabulary, sentence rearrangement, and 10 extra practice exercises. Every chapter has more than 60 solved examples along with detailed explanations. Wiley Exam Expert Verbal Ability and Reading Comprehension. Captain A.K. Akila's book on English and verbal reasoning is targeted at helping both CAT and other MBA entrance exam aspirants. The book comprises of a large range of topics related to VARC. The Wiley Exam Expert Verbal Ability Reading Comprehension book contains 12 exhaustive practice exercises and 11 CAT VARC tests based on the latest exam pattern of the CAT. These exercises aim at strengthening the candidate's preparation strategy in the VARC section of the CAT. It also offers a 16-week vocabulary building program. It is a unique concept wherein the readers will come across a multi-pronged approach for learning words in related groups for the multiplier effect. This technique is designed by the author to enable ease of retention of the candidates facing issues in remembering difficult vocabulary words. Books for English grammar. Students taking the CAT examination need to build their skills in grammar too. The Intermediate English Grammar by Raymond Murphy. Intermediate English Grammar with answers, a helpful comprehensive guide to intermediary and advanced English learners to aid in understanding various grammatical concepts of the language. High School English Grammar and Composition by Renan Martin. This is literally the Bible of the English grammar. Despite having strong vocabulary, one should also have a strong command in grammar as well, and this book is best to start through if you have studied English in school. What is the suggested reading list? What should students read for the reading comprehension section is also things which I have listed here. Some of the recommended newspapers which are mentioned below are the Economic Times, the Business Standard, the Mint, the Hindu, and the Wall Street Journal on a daily basis. Books to read while preparing for CAT. Now, what is the fiction books and books which will get students into the habit of reading? I have listed some of the books here. God of Small Things by Arundhati Roy, The Kite Runner by Khalid Hosseini, The Namesake, Interpreter of Melodies by Jhumpa Lahiri. The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, The Freedom at Midnight, The Argumentative Indian, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Steve Jobs' books, The Social Network. So these are some of the classics that students can read into getting into the habit of reading. Other books which can be suggested for students in order to get into the reading habit are The Alchemist and The Zahir by Paulo Coelho, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari by Robin Sharma, 1984 by George Orwell, and The Compassionate Samurai. So that therefore, guys, is the end of today's lecture on what are the kinds of books that you need to read. This therefore is the Telegram channel, and please go ahead and subscribe with Unacademy, those who have not yet subscribed. And please download the Unacademy Learner app, install the app, go for the Plus courses and the CAT courses, get your subscription. We have the Plus and we have the Iconic. Use code 10 in order to get a discount, and you can also subscribe for NEET, JEE 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. Subscribe, like, share, hashtag CAT Live Daily. Please use my referral code CORE10 to get a 10% discount. And that is the end of today's session. All the best. Bye-bye.